Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will test two modes. One is caramel candy mode, the other one is this cute mini cupcake mode. Alright, let's start it. First thing, we need to weight our wax. So I'm gonna put some soy wax and mix with paraffin wax. Usually I use 50% soy and 50% paraffin. Now the wax on the stove, we can pick our color. I love this color chart, it's so easy to find my color. So 25. I just test my temperature, it's about 190, so now it's the time to add our wax dye. Looks good. Let's test the temperature again. Okay, 174. It's time to add the fragrance oil. The fragrance oil I got from Nature's Garden. It smells amazing, just like caramel. By the way, if you want to test your wax color, you can grab a white paper. Put a couple drop there, see? It looks good, so I'm gonna pour it in the mold. Uh-oh, the top is not smooth, so I grab my heat gun, just heat up the top. And then clean up the edge. If you still feel the heat, that means it's not ready. Just wait it totally cool off. Now after 3 hours, let's see how it looks. They look amazing and they smell amazing. Alright, let's see the cupcake one. Ooh, that's easy. Looks very smooth and smell good. I'm gonna put them in the bag, and after 2 or 3 days, they will smell much stronger. After 2 days, my wax melt get very translucent, so I want to make some caramel cupcake. still have some wax left, so I think I'm gonna make a snowman. Just be creative. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.